So good morning, everyone, again, and look on the markets. Uh, First, I have to say what I have been saying in the last few weeks that we are facing a slightly bearish trend in the last few weeks across all the markets, and the reason is uh, that we have reached all-time highs, and there is no enough catalysts for the price to go more. And one very important reason that I'm going to discuss with you today is the semiconductors. So, um, are affecting the market a lot. Let me just go and open. Uh, so basically, as you can see, that Nvidia has taken a lot of uh, hits right now, and there are a couple of reasons, in my opinion, for this. So the first one is that um, investors have been pouring a lot of money into the AI since last year. And a lot of companies like NVIDIA, SMCI, uh, and the giant techs like Microsoft and Google, Amazon, they have been really receiving a lot of funds for investment. And those chip makers were promising a lot of profit from sales, which actually happened. However, the consumers, the people who are actually using the AI, or the companies using the AI, they are not yet actually taking advantage of the AI to convert it into actual revenue. So now I'm talking about the receiving end of these ships, not the manufacturing end. So if you are manufacturing the chips, okay, TMC, the Taiwanese company, or SMCI or NVIDIA, they are making these chips and they sold a lot. But now, what about the applications that are using these AIs? We right now we find dozens and dozens and dozens of applications, but the revenues are nowhere near to the expenses that these companies have invested in. So investors right now, just to make this short, investors right now are having this aha moment where, okay, is it really worth it? Is it really going to go higher? Or let's pause now and see what's really going to happen with this AI thing. Are we really getting our return on investment back or not? So this is a situation, in my opinion, regarding the semiconductors in general. Okay, so as we can see, Nvidia has been using Steam uh, since quite some time now, and this is what's bringing the market. Um, so switch to the technical analysis part of it. For Nvidia today, we do have some kind of a resistance here at 104. If we kept holding this level of 102, I think that we might have a good chance to jump up to maybe 107 or 108. So keep watching those levels. Let's see what's going to happen at the open. This is what I believe. If we lost actually this level, we lost 102. This level here, we are going to see lower level of NVIDIA, and this is going to bring all the market down. We have announced PLTR, and congratulations anyone who took this with me. I bought shares and I bought a couple of calls. I bought not a couple of calls, but a couple of calls. I bought for January and I bought also for November. So we should be actually at the open. We should be high, big time. So make sure that if you have more contracts, if you have one contract, make sure that you set your stop loss above your entry so that you can ride the trade a little bit if we are gonna set to go higher. Otherwise, if it went down a little bit for a pullback, you will be closing on a profit as well. This is TR. We have also taken Amazon. Amazon also gapped a bit after hours, so you will find some profits at the entry at the beginning of the month. And the reason that I'm going through these trades right now on the live is that I don't want to go over them while we are trading or get really distracted. So everyone who was in any of these trades, just make sure that you set your exit strategy or selling orders. We don't want to miss out on these profits. LCRB is still struggling, but I still believe that if the market sentiment is better today, which I feel is going to be, we might be seeing a little bit of relief here in LCRB. I think that the market will come with a bit of relief. Of course, everything will be assessed at the market time. For the trade ideas, I posted a couple of trade ideas. One of them is BA, Boeing, and the reason that I'm interested in this stock is that their bad news actually never ends. So we might actually be looking at another dump right now. To be honest with you, this is a historically low price for this stock. So from the technical analysis point of view, it should actually bounce from here, from the technical analysis point of view. But considering that the company has a lot of issues with the worker unions and a lot of bad news coming in and out, I'm not sure that this anticipated bounce will come as impressive as we think. I actually keep shopping here or even go lower. So keep an eye on this. This is not really a trade idea. This is more of a swing idea. If you want to play this one. What else did I propose? Yeah, NVIDIA. Phone check QQQ. I think we have only 6 minutes till the market opens. So there is nothing really last week. We really are suffering. This bearish trend. Okay. And if you guys are wondering what I'm doing here, drawing the levels, my levels. So those boxes are where are the important levels, and this is based on the session volume profile. It's very helpful for you to understand to decide trading setups. So for today, for Q example, the way I see it, we're still bearish. We might we might take these levels today at 454 and maybe either go back here to this level. This is going to be the main level of support if we are going to go up, because this means that we are making higher lows. But in generally, as you can see here, we are actually it's that we can go all the way to test this line here and then go down again. So be mindful of this area and don't get caught in the stream of the first candle of the day. This is often deceiving. So let's just stick with the plan. Okay. That's for the QQQ. Now, we have seen this like too many times. We have seen it too many times that we open up with a very big green candle and then lose all the steam during the day, and it was really very bad on Friday. So let's see what's going to happen. But these are the levels to watch. Again, I don't know what happen, but these are the levels that we have. I would be taking calls if we broke this trend line, which actually comes along with the 0.618, and we tested it. In that case, I would consider that maybe the trend is reversing. But again, if we have taken a call here, we need to understand that we have a great big resistance this level here and another bigger one here. So in short, the going down looks easier than going to your premium. So it's going to be tough, and we will see what the chart are going to give us. But there is no clear like anticipation on whether we're going to go up or down. The market looks neutral to me. So anything can happen. There has been a lot of sell-off in the last couple of weeks. Maybe the sell-off will end, but also there's no big appetite to buy. So what's going to happen, in my opinion, is that we are going to have sessions of buying the dip, and then other sessions of taking quick profits because people don't trust that we are going to continue higher. So put this in mind. Those two opposite forces are the ones who are controlling the market right now. People or investors trying to buy the dip, and at the same time they don't have the great future outlook, so they will take profits quickly. We have only 1 minute, so on the SPY chart, it's very similar, but we have a higher here trend line. So maybe if we are maybe we can take something like here, going back, or if we have like maybe going that level. But those two levels now, the 548 is the most important. So now Amazon is 60% up, guys. 60% up. Okay, just to let you know, 60%. Let me just trim that quickly. Up again. second time. So we're trending Amazon 6%. Congratulations, you took that. Um, Plantier up. Congratulations again, took that. I'm gonna spend some time here to actually to trim my position. Um, and again, guys, we actually buy the rumors and not, so we can't just act on things from news. We have to try to get into the trades before actually 80% of my Palantir position here. Okay. Live at the same time. So here is Palantir here. Let's go. Good, good trade indeed. Congratulations again, guys. As you can have better luck uh, with the swings in this period. So let's see what's NVIDIA doing. Yes, is trying to break that level here. I'm gonna focus a little bit today on NVIDIA because I think that this is the one which is actually driving the market. So that level here is kind of critical. It's a 5 minute. So we are going up, going up. Instead, if we break this level, we are set up for um, a lot of room to go up to this level. As you can see, guys, we plan the trade and we see the chart, but I'm gonna enter here. I'm gonna wait a little bit on NVIDIA till I see the end of this candle. Okay, I want to see where does it close. Of course, if NVIDIA is green, everything else will be green as well. It's not very clear here on QQQ, but it's uh, for our green line. I'm not surprised. So and remember, guys, that um, our uh, our mission is to keep our capital, not to make profits, because once we preserve our capital, we will be able to trade again and again. So I'm looking actually for buy break here for continuation that we have set up for the thing. Now, I've taken the calls here, but I understand that we have a lot of beginners, and I don't want. Let's let's look back to NVIDIA. So NVIDIA's, if we retest the level successfully, we might continue going up. Okay. Um, I'm gonna see if we can, if we want to watch something, like if we want to watch people. So I don't know what's wrong with LCRD. This is messed up. We already, I'm already in a trade here, but I don't know what's wrong with this company. Like even wine is going up. So I'm gonna wait for Nvidia to cool down a little bit here. Let's have a look on VIX. Um, yeah, Amazon is actually at 16.5% right now, still up. I still have one contract open. Yes. But again, since we are in profit, you guys need to set your stop loss above the entry to secure some profits before continuation. Okay. Never turn a green trade to red. If you are up, either close, take your money, or just set your stop loss above the entry to secure profits. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Um, I'm just trying to see if we can, if you can take a call here, but to be honest, I need it to cool down a little bit. Just a reminder, those calls as per the levels that you can see. So even if we took a call here, it's going to be short-lived. So for people who like peace of mind, it's better that you wait for the swings because those calls in the morning, with the levels that I can see now, they're going to be so fast, so fast. I'm honestly, I'm not very excited to take a call or a put right now just for 5 or 10%. Maybe it will surprise me and go all the way here, uh, $3. But um, yeah, I need to see how it's gonna react at this level. Yeah. Well, the news is good news and bad news in the same time. We didn't have any red candle so far. That's the good news. The bad news is that we have seen this before. We have seen how it can go all the way up in the morning, in the very early morning, then it loses everything again in a matter of minutes. So I have to be very careful. We are actually approaching a support level here. So I don't want this to flip on me. On the MACD side, we are flipping bullish. Um, I can see that the momentum for the upside is a little bit um, is higher than last week, at least today. But again, um, I'm gonna stick with my plan. These are the lines that I have drawn. I know this high. The worst thing, and here is how I think about it, guys. Just a bit of education here. What I always calculate the risk. What's the worst thing could happen if I did not take a call here? Worst thing that's gonna happen is that I'm gonna miss the trade. So what? So, so what if I miss the trade? What's gonna happen? My capital is intact. My money is in the bank. I don't have any problems. But if I have taken or forced the trade, okay, the worst thing that happens is that I'm gonna uh, get tracked and lose my money. So uh, this is the mental model that I have, which is very, very, very risk um, management oriented. And see, this is the red candle I was talking about. Okay, that's why I'm hoping that you are learning something here, guys. We need to stick to the plan. Now, if we want to take another call here, this is going to be a gamble on the SPY here. So we can gamble that okay, it is going to have a support here at the EMA. It's going to continue, and we should weigh our options because even if it got support here, it most probably would got rejected here or have a resistance. But really want this the urge of uh, the desire to take the trade, but for the gamblers, okay, out there, a spy call here. Let me see. I'm gonna watch it. I'm okay. Uh, Probably something like 549. C 2 cents if you wanna spare $32. Try to get into a call right now, betting that it's gonna go up to this level or even that level. Take like 10, 20, maybe 25%. That's gonna be strike for you. I'm not gonna let this, guys, but it's gonna be a good one. Right here for SPY, because I with some kind of a charting and education, but uh, again, um, let's go back to NVIDIA. So NVIDIA kind of, so again, NVIDIA, we have to wait for this level for a retest. Uh, Amazon is doing good actually. Amazon is doing very good because we have retested that level, which means that we can continue going up to the next level here on Amazon. Hopefully somewhere here. Okay, this was a good retest for Amazon. The LCID is what I don't understand, but nevertheless, that's fine. We got a lot of wins. So Nvidia is actually still trying to explore whether it should continue up or go down to that level. If it went to that level down, we're gonna watch it. Uh, if this level down held, we're gonna go back up. So I'm just looping here between all these charts, guys. So here is the call that we have talked about. Here is the support that I said is gonna find probably here, and this is why it's a gamble call because generally the A level is not as strong support as others, as SMA, for example, as the horizontal one. So let's see how it's going to react here. Remember that I did not actually alert that call. It's 100% gamble, just but I'm giving you the idea of how to think about trade. So this is risky trade, uh, just betting on the EMA support here. But in general, our our setup, our hypothesis since the morning is valid. We said that we're going to go a little bit up and then we're going to reject, then go back. I don't see enough of neither selling pressure or buying pressure, which is, to be honest with you, perfect conditions for losing money on these LDCs. That's why I switched to other video stocks. So let's see what's NVIDIA doing. NVIDIA is pushing the market. So, so wow, see that PLTR 100%, 100%, 100%, guys. You should be proud of this trade and trusted my here. I'm training again. PLTR at 106. Okay, here we go. So this is tug of war here at this level, guys. And again, you can always get my signals on Discord. The main purpose of the live here is to give you market insights and a bit of education. So I hope that you guys are enjoying this. You're in Discord. If you are on, you know what to do. Yeah. So we can keep watching this. I'm here again, Amazon. I think it's going to be a support here. Okay, so guys, don't take to PM me any. Probably you know my Discord handle, so don't hesitate in asking any questions. And that's it for me today. Um, thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone.